well-known fact that the uniform coating of small parts, be it for decorative or functional purposes, is generally difficult to achieve. In many applications, considerable technical and financial efforts are required to achieve good homogeneous coating results. Frequently, such small parts must be placed on special fixtures, or they must be coated in specially engineered systems within a multi-stage process, which can be extremely costly and time-consuming. With the recently developed Rotomat coating drum, Troval now offers a solution to nearly all tasks for coating small components. This innovative system produces excellent coating results to a consistently high quality, and at a cost which amounts to only a fraction of the cost incurred by conventional coating methods. The components are gently loaded from the customer parts containers into the coating drum with a simple, easy-to-operate loading device. In order to achieve consistently high-quality results, optimum rotation and mixing of the components in the rotating drum is required, along with precise control of all relevant operating parameters. This sophisticated inlet and exhaust air system is of central importance. This unit is operated by a PLC controller and is heated to a point whereby it ensures optimum drying of the coating material or lacquer on the components. The unloading of the components into awaiting stillages takes place by tilting the drum. A chute ensures that the components are not damaged during the discharge operation. An impressive feature of the Rotomat system is the special drum cleaning system. The drum literally self-cleans by filling with special Troval cleaning media and rotating at slow speed. To avoid downtime in production, the drum can be mounted onto a separate special frame. In this way, one drum can be cleaned, while a second drum can be used for normal production processing. The Rotomat system allows the coating of small components measuring from just a few millimeters, or tenths of an inch, up to a maximum length of 150 millimeters, 6 inches. All types of material, including wood, plastic, rubber and various metals, can be coated within the Rotomat coating system. The Rotomat coating system can be used for a multitude of different coating applications. For example, these screws and hooks have been coated within such a machine, and the wooden and plastic handles have received their decorative surface courtesy of the Rotomat system. For high-quality decorative coatings, specially developed two-component lacquers are utilized. These have been specifically formulated to cater for the technical requirements of the Rotomat coating machine, as well as for the requirements of the surface finish on the components. Corrosion protection of parts can be achieved, but it's important to ensure that the anti-corrosion material perfectly adheres to the parts and does not have any open pores. Dosing the exact amount of coating material into the process guarantee the desired process results. The screws shown in the picture have been coated with a corrosion protection medium. The improvement of the sliding characteristics of rubber components, especially O-rings, is achieved by coating them with a PTFE lacquer. O-rings can easily be pressed into the desired location to greatly facilitate assembly. Defects caused by poorly installed O-rings can be greatly reduced. When metals must be coated with rubber, coating with a primer and adhesion material in the Rotomat machine greatly improves the adhesion between the metal component and rubber coating. A completely new and highly successful application for the Rotomat process is the coating of electronic components with a special insulating lacquer, which need to be insulated prior to the wiring operation. All Rotomat components are precisely matched to each other, resulting in production coating of a quality previously not considered possible. The special elliptical shape of the rotating drum ensures a fast and optimum rotation within the drum and subsequent mixing of the parts. In order to allow for the varying sliding and rotation characteristics of the components, the drum RPM and angle can be adjusted to suit. The rotating drums in the Rotomat system can easily be exchanged, thus allowing the processing of batches from 1 to 50 litres in the same system. This provides flexibility and allows economic operation with a minimum of setup times. The use of special high-precision spray guns of differing size and capacity ensures the lacquer is atomized. This allows for precisely dosed coating of the parts. Depending on the type of lacquer and the desired spraying pattern, different types of spray guns may be used. A major feature of the Rotomat system is the unique method of exact dosing of the lacquer. This is determined by the spraying time and intervals. With very critical applications, the spraying amount is further controlled by constant monitoring of the pressure pot. A big technical advantage of this monitoring system is the early recognition of system faults, for example, a blocked pipe or spray gun. The incoming air is filtered and heated to a preset temperature. There's a wide range of pressure vessels available. They transport the coating material under pressure to the spray guns. Various sizes are available. To avoid turbulence, the filtered and heated air is injected into the drum with a special wide air nozzle. In this manner, the sprayed lacquer can dry evenly on the surface of the components. The exhaust air fan produces a slight negative pressure. This helps to prevent unwanted odours escaping into the system environment. The exhaust air is filtered before being released into the atmosphere. Rotomat systems allow absolutely precise and constant operating conditions. The complete coating process is controlled by a PLC controller. For visualization of the complete coating process, a computer can be hooked up to the PLC unit. The computer also allows for recipe administration and total documentation of every single batch of coated parts. System faults are shown by visual error messages. Of course, direct assistance by Troval personnel offering remote diagnosis of system faults is also available. 3 different machine types are available. The smallest model is the R55 Eco, a laboratory machine capable of accommodating batches of parts between 1 and 8 litres. The R55 Eco is mainly used for sample processing, which is why the degree of automation on this model is limited. For example, the air and spraying parameters must be set manually. The R70 model allows for coating batches of parts up to 25 litres in capacity. 4 versions are available, starting with a simple Eco through to an electronically controlled, fully automatic system. The R70 is delivered as a compact system which simply needs to be plugged in at the customer's site. This model is technically identical to the R70. However, it offers a larger capacity to allow processing of component batches up to 50 litres. The examples that we've shown demonstrate just a few of the applications that can be accommodated within the Rotomat system. There are many more. Wherever small parts need to be coated, the Rotomat system offers excellent results at surprisingly low costs. Even the fully automated Rotomat series are easy to operate and require little operator training. Above all, the Rotomat systems have proven solutions to the most complex coating problems. With regard to coating quality and economical operation, they easily surpass conventional coating systems. We'd be happy to prove this to you.